What's up, everyone? I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today's been a good day as we are still on the green side. The market is looking very beautiful with some green candles. XRP currently sitting above 87 cents. We mentioned this before, and I'll say it again. There's nothing more explosive than the altcoin season, and it's finally here with us. Now, to get us started today, we have a tweet from David Schwartz that he shared from Multichain. It says, "Thrilled to announce that we've integrated with the XRP ledger. This integration opens doors for cross-chain interoperability between the XRP ledger and other blockchains. Native asset XRP has been supported already, and more will be added soon." Now, as much as this might be something that he tweeted a while back, it can't certainly go unnoticed. Interoperability is going to transform the world. We now have tokens that are opening doors. All the positive technical developments we've witnessed with XRP will certainly not go unrewarded. Hey guys, don't forget to join in our giveaway. You can check out the details, their requirements right down there in the comment section below. That said, let's roll that intro and get into all the exciting details of today's video. As always, welcome back to Moneyside, your favorite crypto news channel. If you're new here, welcome to the XRP Army. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our daily crypto news updates. Getting back to today's topic, we have an interesting tweet from Tony Edward. It says, "Have you noticed what has been happening lately? A lot of skeptics have been changing their tune and launching services. And the news comes as Bitcoin and the market has been moving up in price." This is not a coincidence. It's by design. We heard within the past week Ray Dalio's fund looking to invest in crypto. Goldman Sachs conducts first crypto OTC trade. BlackRock to launch crypto services. Wall Street firm Cowen launches crypto trading, and more. Remember when Ray Dalio, Goldman, and BlackRock's Larry Fink were trashing crypto? They have accumulated and ready to pump their bags. Same story, different asset class. I hope our eyes are open to how the game is played. Believe it or not, this might be the lowest entry point we will get to the crypto markets. The market is ready to pump. It may be all fun and games, but once the ship sets sail and you're left behind, it won't be funny anymore. So if you haven't acquired your hidden gems at these low entry points, you need to do something about it. This is the time to invest in the tokens that you are almost sure will explode. Far from all that, we have something quite interesting here. What's even more fascinating is how this could potentially change the entire fate of the crypto world. If we look at what was updated on FX Empire, we can see Ethereum merge edging closer as kiln testing continues. Now, what's happening here is that Ethereum is switching things up to proof of stake, which means we are soon to witness a supply shock for Ether. This is something that will happen in just a few months. But as per usual, this might be delayed like everything else on the crypto market. But let's just wait it out and see what happens. They may actually get things done this time round. If we look at that, we see the final public testnet called Kiln has put the merge through its paces over the past few days. This is a test bed for developers and node operators to stimulate the merger of the two Ethereum chains, Ethereum 1.0 and the Beacon Chain proof-of-stake blockchain. We wouldn't be surprised if this turns out to be the moment Ether flips Bitcoin as the king of the crypto market. As we speak, Ethereum has reached its full fib extension. The tokenomics are about to completely change. This is definitely something we need to take into account. It is possible that we might see Ethereum break past these all-time highs, especially after the launch of Ethereum 2.0. Ethereum will surely then pass Bitcoin. At all times, you need to keep in mind that these are unprecedented times. Therefore, they call for unprecedented perspectives. Think about it. We have an invasion, health crises, and now we are looking at a supply chain crisis. It has been stated it's crazy how even coins that had probably crashed 80 to 90% could finally almost multiply by 20 times in value. But while these assets go up, you must secure the profits in good time. A financial crisis is coming, and it could potentially crash the markets hard. It will almost be like a black swan. But all you need to understand that this doesn't mean the stocks and crypto markets are bad. No siree. This is just an ideal opportunity for people to jump back into the market at low entry points. When this bull run is done and dusted and we have taken our profits, we wait things out until the massive crash finally happens. We will get the ideal chances to reinvest at the bottom. As much as the prices will crash aggressively, there will also be an aggressive recovery. As always, remember that the bulls will make money, the bears will make money. However, if you become an indecisive pig, you will definitely get slaughtered. Generally, more news around the ongoing lawsuit between the Securities and Exchange Commission, the SEC, and Ripple, XRP's parent company, continues to drive positive reactions among crypto investors. Specifically, some evidence allegedly showing that the SEC did not view XRP as a security prior to the lawsuit has some investors bullish on the idea that this case could get thrown out. That said, time now to take a look at the numbers. Ripple has extended its gains for the third consecutive day as the broader cryptocurrency market reestablished a bullish bias, with Bitcoin breaking the $47,000 barrier. In the last few hours, XRP tapped the 90-cent top for the first time since early February. The sixth largest cryptocurrency recorded a rejection from the previously mentioned resistance, falling to the 88-cent support level. That said, another failed attempt at the 90-cent barrier could trigger a much higher pullback to 82 cents in the coming days as trading conditions enter overheated territories. However, bulls can allow a mild correction to the 85-cent level in the coming hours, where they can build more momentum from dip buyers and charge towards the $1 round figure. Meanwhile, my resistance levels are at 90 cents, 92, and 95 cents, and my support levels are at 88, 85, and 82 cents. On to Bitcoin, it broke below $46,000 very early in January and never made it back up. After the low was set on the 24th of January, multiple rejections took place at $45,850 and below. Now, for the first time, Bitcoin has punched above this resistance and is ready to grow some more. Now, this is great for the entire cryptocurrency market. It's also great for the altcoins. The altcoins can have an initial reaction where they stop and retrace, but only to come back bigger and stronger, because as Bitcoin grows, so the rest of the market grows. Make the most out of this bullish action. Remember to secure profits, prepare, diversify, save, withdraw, plan, and rinse and repeat. You already know that. As always, do your own research and trade safely, guys. Continued prayers for the people of Ukraine. Please keep in mind we're not a licensed financial advisor. All videos on this channel are intended for entertainment purposes only. Tell us what you think in the comment section below, and let's have a conversation. Thanks as always for watching. Don't forget to like this video, and please click on that subscribe button below. And be sure to turn on notifications so you get informed whenever we post our amazing content. Thanks again, and we'll look forward to seeing you on the next Money Side.